Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our series on trading option wheels. And today is Monday, so our last trade that we did close out on RIOT, which closed out on Friday. As you can see, we opened it on the 4th. Now, this one we went a little bit longer. We are going to want to be doing weeklies, just because when we look at, like, if we go out 2 weeks versus 1 week, we look at the premium we can collect weekly versus those 2 weeks. We can collect more if we do it each week. So when we're looking at RIOT here, we did a put. The stock price was at $12.14 when we opened this. The high was $14.97. The low was $6.38. So our 90-day average was right around $11.16. So we sold a strike of $11, which had a negative 0.24 delta, which is right in our delta range. We want to be negative 21, I would say, to negative 28, the max. We definitely want to be under negative 30. Our break even was $10.67. Our expiration was last Friday, which was the 13th. When we opened it, we had 9 days expiration. All right. Total premium collected was 33 cents. We had at risk 1,100 shares, because if the stock did go against us, we would have to purchase those 100 shares, which is perfectly okay. So our total credit minus our fees was $32.34, which would leave us a potential profit of 2.94%. Not too bad. So when it closed on Friday, our stock was $12.99, which is well above our $11 strike. So our contract did expire worthless, which is what we wanted. So we kept our full $32.34, which left us with $2.94. So today what we're looking at is we are looking at opening up another one with RIOT, which RIOT's already up this morning. So let's go ahead and get this pulled up. So we can see RIOT's already at $13.31. So when I was calculating everything, it was still at the $12.99 what it closed at last Friday. I just wanted to see where it was at. So I was looking at $11. I was looking at a $12 strike. So if you look at a $12 strike, it's went down considerably. It was, before everything opened, we were looking at right around $23. Right now we're at $17, $19, which isn't awesome. And we can see our deltas. We're at negative 19, which is a great delta. But we look at the next one, $12.50. We're at a negative 28 delta. All right, so this is not where we want to be. So looking at this trade, I don't know if I want to go in a trade for $19, right? So let's just go out. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit, because I don't know if you guys can see it. That's okay. Let's try to go out a little bit. Let's see if it goes to the 27th. So last Friday. So we can see if we do $12 here, we're at a negative 26. We can collect $44. So this is a little bit better. So let me pull this over here, because I did the comparison this morning and it wasn't that big of a difference, right? Even though this went down, we were at 32 cents. So if we were able to collect $32 for this Friday and next Friday, you know, that's $64 versus $50, which right now it's looking at, what is it at? 40, possibly 46, let's say 45. So let me plug in these values over here. Let's get our new 90-day average with the stock price of $13.18. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in here, $13.18, and the high is still $14.97, and we also have a low of $6.96. So that gives us a new 90-day average of $11.70. So I would say we'd still look at, we'd still want to look at the $12 mark. And this ends in the 20th. All right. Got to get rid of this one. Remove drawing. Okay. All right. So we're going to stick with the $12. So let's go back here and let's look at it. So for the 27th, if we went 12, like I said, we can get, let's go high and say 44 cents. So let me plug that in, 0.44. And then if we went with this Friday, we can get possibly 18 cents. All right. So here we're at. We can get possibly 18 cents. If we double that, that's 36. So we're still ahead if we just go with this one. So let's try to open up our one for the following Friday. Like I said, ideally I want to do weeklies, but everything jumped up this morning, which is good because RIOT's pretty strong right now. So let's go ahead and go back to the 27th. Let's go ahead and try open up the 12 here, and it was 44. So we're going to try selling this put for 44 cents. Okay, so let me get me over here. So we're going to bump this up to 44. And then we are going to, so we're going to have our expiration of December 27th, 2024. We are going to sell the $12 put, and we're going to try collecting 44 cents, which right now it's right at it. So let's go ahead and confirm and send. And see if this will close out for us here. All right, well, while I'm waiting for that to close, which it may or may not close, it's in between there. What I'm going to be doing is I'm not going to be making these videos weekly or bi-weekly. What I'll do is I'll be making them monthly, so then we can keep track of everything that's going on with our series on building a small account using option wheels. And again, our goal here is to get up to ETFs, right? So right now we're using stocks just because we don't have enough cash in our account to actually be able to fund any of these ETFs, right? So right now we have almost $1,900 in here. So potentially, you know, we could buy something that's like $18, right? A few of the ETFs that would be good is, this is the Bitcoin ETF. As you can see, this one's been rising. This one pays out huge dividends, which is also good. So even if you do get assigned the put and you own the shares and for some reason it just kept going down, you're still getting good dividends on your buy until it comes back up and you can resell that call. Gold, like you said, this is way out of reach. Ideally, if you have the money to be doing puts like an option wheel on SPY, that is awesome because the premiums you can collect on SPY, like if you look at this one, it's at 607 or 605, which is very high. So even if you looked at the trade here and we did a weekly on it, so 1220, way down here. I mean, look at that. Even if you were doing the $5.99, you're collecting $128, you know, and that's a negative 23 delta. If you want to go even more conservative, negative 20, you're still collecting over $100 a week just on this one. So, when you get the funds, it's better to be able to do that. But right now, we don't have those in this account because I want to show how you can build a small account, which is more realistic for most people. So here we are. We got this one. I got it open, and we are going to wait and see if it closes today. It's at 36 cents. We're at 44 cents. So I'll keep you posted. But like I said, I'll make these videos once a month just to keep you up to date to see what's going on so you can follow along. But I appreciate you watching. Any comments, concerns, questions, leave them in the comments box below and I'll be happy to answer. But as always, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.